Hey guys, this is Saurabh Mathur, and in this video I'll be telling you my top 2 affiliate marketing tips that will help you to increase your affiliate sales. So if you're new to this channel, then this channel is all about make money online, where I tell my strategies and my tips to help you build a successful online business. So please make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Okay, now let's come into the affiliate marketing tips. So if you don't know how to sell, you are going to have a hard time making it online. Yes, that's a fact. So that is why I put together a couple of my tips that can help you out. So my number one tip for you guys is to have a good headline. So this is something that will grab your viewers' attention and make them want to learn more. So the headline is very important, and you can also get some great ideas from looking at what marketing masters are doing. So how you can do that? You can go over to menshealth.com and have a look at some of the headlines they use. Okay, so right now I'm at the menshealth.com website, and you can see what kind of headlines they're using. Terry Crew tries goat yoga for the first time. Can drinking lemon water help you lose weight? Ready to try CrossFit? Give this beginner's WOD a try. 15 best gifts every kind of golfer. Okay, so you can see these are the headlines, eye-catchy headlines. So that will help your viewer to click on your link, to click on your blog, to open up your video. So you can use these headlines. So let's say we have this headline of 11 ab routines to strengthen your six-pack. So what you could do, let's say 11 affiliate networks to strengthen your online business. So something like this. So you can just tweak these headlines just according to your niche. So as you can see, the headline may read 3 ways to lose belly fat. You could turn this into 3 ways to increase your commissions. So you can see you're just twisting the headline, but you're using the headline which is working these days. So I hope you're getting my point. So now the tip number 2 will be, people online are generally searching for a solution to a problem that they have. So what you have to do as an affiliate, you have to find a way to incorporate both their problem and your solution into your content, headline or subtitle. So what that means, for example, you can see struggling towards payday. We provide short-term loans for up to $700, easy 30 seconds application process. You can see in this example, it starts with the pain that you are struggling towards payday. Then you are offering a solution, which is we provide short-term loans for up to $700, and that makes the solution even simpler. That is the last part, the easy 30-second process. So this is the simple formula that all the good marketers are using both online and offline. So I request you to include these tips in your affiliate campaigns, in your blog post, or whatever you're doing online. That will help you to succeed as an online marketer. So I hope you got some value out of this video. If you got some value, please make sure to like this video. And if you want to check out my number 1 method to make money online, the link is in the description down below. You can check it out. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.